Don't touch your remote, grab your phone. I'll have you signed in 60 seconds. Most people try to type their password with the remote. That's the hard way. There's a faster method. No password typing, no remote keyboard. Here's exactly what to do. By the end of this video, you'll be signed in to YouTube TV on any smart TV, Samsung, LG, TCL, Hisense. All of them work the same way. Open YouTube TV, not the regular YouTube app. They look similar. Make sure you have the right one. App opens. Sign-in screen appears with activation code displayed prominently. This is your activation code. You'll need it in the next step. Go to tv.youtube.com and start on your phone or computer. Type in the code from your TV screen. Skip the dashes, just the letters and numbers. Just look at your TV screen and type that code here. Tap your Google account, the one you pay for YouTube TV with. Your TV signs in automatically, no password typed on the remote. You'll see a confirmation on your phone and your TV will load the home screen. You're all set. If the code says expired, just refresh it on your TV and enter the new one. If YouTube TV doesn't load after signing in, you probably used the wrong Google account. Go back and switch. Open YouTube TV app, go to tvsyoutube.com, start, enter the code, tap your account. That's it. This works on Samsung, LG, TCL, Hisense, and pretty much any smart TV. You're signed in and streaming in under 60 seconds. Which smart TV did you use? Drop the brand in the comments. Helps the next person find the right fix faster. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to TechnoTutor TV for more easy and quick tech tutorials. See you in the next one.